What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 4, the second last day of our 5 days final demo challenge before we go into real money and real trading in the real markets. So today we took a trade that was break even, which means we didn't win or we didn't lose any money. So I came in the first off, we started by marking out on the 30-minute time frames, Asia session here, 1 a.m. until 10. We mark out the highs over here and the lows down here on the 30-minute time frame. Then I noticed the highs were interacted with and my bias was bearish, which was honestly it was a respectable bias. It came into some 72% levels on the Fibonacci and it was looking like it could retrace. But I think the bias wasn't the problem with this trade. It was simply that the sessions was very messy once again. It was in a real range. We hit the top, we came down the bottom, mid. So we closed just before New York session over here at break even, because that's one of our rules. And maybe we could have got a little bit more if we waited a bit, but I'm sticking to the rules and the trading plan. So there was our trade, second last trade. I said 0 because we didn't make or lose any money. We shorted, I said the 4 hour was bearish. Do you get it? Bearish, not bearish, but bearish. A little bit bearish, but with a bullish order flow. And in fact, the 4 hour was in a range, so we could be longing or shorting. And we entered on a 5-minute break of structure and an inverse fair value gap. Inverse value gap. I said this was not a good trade. Our bias was good, but we entered one candle too late, making our risk reward lower, which means we missed profits. So we were supposed to enter on this candle as soon as it closed, with our stop loss above here and take profit at a 1-to-1, which would have hit. But with TradingView's free accounts demo, and because I think we did enter one candle late, we entered only here around this level somewhere. So our take profit for 1-to-1 was around here, which barely didn't get hit. So we could have possibly hit our stop loss, take profit, if we were on a premium TradingView account and if I was paying attention, because I did enter one candle too late. I was distracted trading this, so that's not good, not in the rules. And we took 2 more trades, a nice long, a 2% win, $4,000. The 4 hour was bullish, 30-minute was bullish. I said this was a beautiful trade. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and liquidity sweep. We hit take profit 1 and 2, and take profit 2 was at a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. And then the next trade we took was a long, a little 1% loss. The 4 hour was still bullish. The 30-minute was still bullish. I said this was a bad trade, horrible entry. I thought it would be a loss, so I shouldn't have even taken the trade. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and an inverse fair value gap. And I was getting a little bit tilted at this point, so I should have stopped trading and saved this next trade for tomorrow, which is when I'll go over the next trade, our next backtesting trade on the demo in next YouTube video. So I'll go over this last trade and the last trade of the week, which we took tomorrow, and I'll see you all in the next one.